Designed to bring simplicity to pH testing during milk processing, the HI981034 Milch-pH-Tester is engineered to withstand the tough environment of milk processing plants. The built-in probe features an open junction and a low-temperature conical glass tip. Your tester comes with a selectable auto-off feature, preserving battery life and giving you peace of mind in case the tester is accidentally left on. To select your preferred setting, press and hold the button for 6 seconds. Here, you can choose a shutoff time of 8 minutes, 60 minutes, or disable the feature. When finished, hold the button for 3 seconds to return to measurement mode. You are now ready to begin calibration. Calibration is an important step in ensuring accurate results. We recommend calibrating before each use. To calibrate your tester, press and hold the button for 3 seconds until Cal appears on the screen. Rinse the electrode in deionized water and place the tester in your pH 7.01 buffer and wait for a stable reading. Once stable, the tester will automatically store the calibration and prompt you to use pH 4.01 buffer. Rinse the electrode again and place the tester in your pH 4.01 buffer. Once the second calibration point is stable, Store will appear on the screen, confirming that the 2 points are recorded, and it will return to the measurement mode.